no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First thing I'm going to be showing you all is the difference between these two lace. This right here is going to be a brown lace. To me, it matches and blends very good with my skin. If you are lighter than me, I do not recommend this lace. And if you are darker than me, I definitely do not recommend this lace because it's going to be very ashy on your skin tone. So here I'm just showing you all a better view of the lace. And here I'm going to be showing you all the HD lace. You can tell it's HD by the ends, how they are raggedy and scraggly. This right here can be tinted any color. I usually tint a very I think it was what? I think Cafe might be the darkest that I have, or is it medium brown? I use Taylor Crown's lace for my customers. So this lace definitely does take very good to any type of lace tint. Now, most lace tints do wash out, so that is the only problem. You will have to either tint it with makeup or tint it using a tint spray. So here I'm not going to be using any type of tint because it blends really good with my skin. I'm going to be showing you all how I cut this lace because a lot of people have been writing me telling me they don't like how I've been leaving it out of the videos. So I guess I'm going to be equipping it back into them. So here, as you can see, we are blending very good, and I am just easily cutting off all the lace, any excess lace. I do not like when people leave lace on their wigs because you can definitely see it. I hate it. So here, as you can see, I don't know why this light makes it seem like I ain't got no edges, but I got edges. But as you can see, we are blending very good. You can actually wear this wig glueless if you wanted to, but I wanted to go ahead and glue it down because I was going to be going out that night. So here I am just going to be shaping it and making this making sure that it is good to my hairline. That's what I was meant to say. So I'm going to be using some 90% proof of alcohol and the Ghost Bond glue. Because I have a big forehead, I like to bring my wigs down. So I'm going to be making sure that I take off all of the oil, makeup, and dirt that is on my forehead. And if I haven't mentioned already, all details for this wig will be down in the description box. So if you are new to my channel, I am so rude. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And so my name is Erika. I am the CEO of Slay by Erika J. I make wigs for all type of women. And so if you want to check out my wigs, you can visit me at www.erikaj.com. It will be also in the description box, or you can follow me at the Instagram, the Real Erika J. And so here I'm just going to be applying the Ghost Bond. This is my favorite. Love Ghost Bond. I cannot stand bold hold. Every time I've used bold hold, none of my wigs have stayed. I don't know what in the world I am doing wrong. I think someone said you needed to apply it like 9 times, and I'm like, that's freaking ridiculous. So maybe I'll try again this year, but there's no way I'm putting glue on my hair. No, I'm not putting glue on my face for 9 times. That's just ridiculous. So here, as you can see, we are doing a close-up, girl, and I love this glue. Do y'all see that? Man, my plucking skills are just so unmatched. And so here, we're just going to be following that same line that we did. And sometimes you might realize like, oh, I went down too far. So you are able to like reapply some glue behind the other glue. And then I'll be showing you all in a little bit how to remove the excess glue. And so as you can see, I had some extra lace that I wanted to get rid of, and I went ahead and just cut it. So after that, you just want to comb it back, and you want to go ahead and apply any scarf or whatever you use to hold down the glue and let it melt. And so after about, I think 30 minutes is usually what I do. I go ahead and I take it off, and it looks just, woo, it looks just like that. Look at that. Oh, I love it. See, sometimes when I want to go ahead and do what I'm supposed to do, I be slaying these wigs, but you know, that's why my name is Slay by Erika J. Let me quit. Anyways, and so the next thing, girl, I almost spilled it. I would have been crying. So this is what I do to remove any excess glue. I know some of you all that have been rocking me for a long time. Y'all are used to seeing this, but you know, for all of the newbies that are new to my channel, I go ahead and I just apply some alcohol onto the Q-tip and I just rub it. Some people say don't do that because it lifts up, but I've never had a problem. Like I said, I love this glue. So the only thing that I did not like about this wig is this part right here. You basically needed to create your part. As you can see at the beginning, it looks like scalp and then it goes to end looking like very wiggy. So this is the time that you would definitely need to either be letting a real stylist do your hair, or you need to have a hot comb. You either need one of the two, because as you can see, it is starting to create a part, and I'm going to be showing you all how I go ahead and further create this part. So here I just use a KeraCare Waxstick and I use the hot comb from Amazon. That's going to be linked below in the description box. I've had it for about a year and a half and I got it from Amazon. I want to say it was around $16. So here I'm just going ahead and I'm using my NC50 by MAC powder, and I am just using a what do you call it, like I'm not using a brush, but I guess it's what you would use to, like, if you do your eyebrows and you like to shape your eyebrows, I would use that, but I use the hard one. I don't know, I can't even explain it, but to me, I don't use the brush because it starts to get everywhere and it gets on one side of the hair and the other side of the hair. I like to do something that's like a pointed edge, and I do not put powder on the edge of my hair. Like where I'm applying the KeraCare Waxstick, I do not put powder there because I have seen in person people do that and it looks a hot, gooky, gunky mess. It might look good, and that's why, like I said, I like to show close up so you all can see what it looks like. It might look good with these other gurus be doing it, but honey, I'm telling you, them people be taking it off their head as soon as that video is done, because it just looks a hot mess. It just don't do it. If you're going to do it, at least apply some powder the next day after the glue has had time to dry. And so here I'm going to be putting in some curls, and I'm going to be using my curl knife. I've had this baby since deployment, so I don't even know what the name is called, but it is by Conair, and I think it's 1 3/4. So I think that was the only thing that I did not like about this hair. Other than that, the hair was very silky. It was soft. I did not have to wash it because of that, and so it didn't come with any smell. And so I love to do these videos for fun when I have time. I'm very, very backed up on videos because of so many orders that I get monthly. But I have been abandoning my YouTube, and I am so sorry. So I am definitely going to be trying to put in more videos and get a lot of these packages that I have out from under these sponsors. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos like this, go ahead and push the notification, and don't forget to hit that bell, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye guys.